The ruler of our yard, the mighty cottontail bunny, chewed the bark away of our most expensive apple fruit tree. Why did it eat away the bark? And most importantly, did our tree survive? We will answer all of it in this video and more. Hi everyone. Fruit trees and berry bushes are so expensive these days that it is important to protect them. We are listing 4 tasks that need to be done in winter to protect your backyard home orchard. In early spring, when there is nothing much to eat, critters like to munch away tree barks and berry stems. So first things first. In late winter, add a physical barrier around your tree like we made one here from chicken wire. For berry bushes, the bunnies mowed down our blueberry bushes 2 years ago. So now we just keep it roughly wrapped up with a bird netting all year round. This keeps the bunnies away. Second thing you want to do is to spread a slow release organic fertilizer around the base of your plant. The trees are dormant during winter, but do it once in January and once in February. This would provide food and energy for your tree as it comes out of dormancy and pushes out flowers. Third is to spray your tree with a dormant oil. This kills the overwintering pathogens and helps prevent diseases. Don't worry, there are many organic products available to use for home garden, such as this one. We are using this fruit spray which has 70% neem oil in it and is certified organic. Neem oil is extracted from seeds of Neem Tree, so it is naturally produced. You need to do it only once in 3 to 4 years. Do not forget to spray your tree all around. Make sure that you pick a day when temperature is above 40 degrees Fahrenheit but below 90 degrees Fahrenheit. This ensures the spray will dry out in time and there will be no phytotoxicity. If you have peach and plum trees, spray them on a separate occasion with a spray that contains copper. This prevents the peach leaf curl disease. Late winter is also when you need to prune fruit trees and shrubs. Pruning can give a better and even structure to your tree. It also opens up the tree and berry bushes, which increases the airflow and eventually reduces diseases. It also increases the yield from your tree as well as the size of the fruit. Late winter and spring. It is also a good time to plant new fruit trees and shrubs. If you're planning to plant any fruit trees or berries, we have a whole playlist dedicated to it, from planting instructions to pruning and taking care of your home orchard. Next, we are going to tell what happened to our tree that was chewed by the bunny. But if you don't want to hang around, check out this playlist linked on the screen. Back to a very expensive apple fruit tree. When we found the damage, we immediately wrapped a fence around the stem and panic searched internet for next 3 days to find answers whether our tree would survive or not. There were not enough answers. But the only useful piece of information we found was that if the bark is still connected, between the past above and below the chewed down portion, the tree may survive. Our tree had a very tiny sliver of this connection. There was nothing we could do except to wait for it. The leaves remained safe for next few days. But then they started becoming their normal self. This was a good sign. During this duration, we watered the tree as normal. Here is this tree now. The wounds healed and the tree is alive and growing. Although this accident did set this tree's growth back because it did not grow at all during the year when it was munched upon. We are linking our home orchard playlist again. If you're planning to plant any fruit trees or berries, we have a whole playlist dedicated to it, from planting instructions to pruning and taking care of your home orchard. So do check it out.